Hello everyone, Brickbeard here. Today we're taking a look at the LEGO City Heavy Haul Train. Now this set was first released in June 2015 and it has a lot going on. First off, we have the diesel locomotive controlled by the 8-channel 7-speed infrared remote control. The infrared receiver is here, and if you open up the front, that orange switch there will allow you to select different channels. Opening up the top of the train will reveal the battery pack just in there, lifts out very easily, and if you look closer here, this section here where you can see that red dot, you can switch the cabling around and that will correspond to each different side on the remote control. Next we have the first flatbed loader that the included helicopter sits on. Literally just lifts up like that. Then we have the hopper wagon. And then we have the second flatbed loader with a construction vehicle on. Finally, we've got the crane, which is pretty cool. Moves forwards, backwards, round and round, and you get a crossing with this one as well. Also included in this set are 5 minifigures. So you've got train driver, engineer, welder, crane operator, and construction vehicle driver. The set also comes with 12 pieces of straight track and 16 pieces of curved track. Unfortunately, the set was retired in December 2017, but you can still pick it up on eBay. Now, just before we take a closer look at the train and the whole set, let's have a quick look at the build. Not too difficult to build, and it is well worth the time because this set has some great features. The train looks absolutely amazing. You can pop this front bit open, pop the driver in there, looks really cool. Nice big diesel locomotive. You've got the helicopter there, which looks pretty stylish. You can pick up the helicopter with the hook on the crane. And talking about the crane, front of that just opens up and you can swap the pieces on the crane as well. So you can put this big grabby hand on it, just like that, and that just pinches open. And you can control the height of the crane with the little grey bit on the side there. The hopper, this bit opens up here. I won't do it now, otherwise all the bricks I popped inside will come tumbling out. And then you've got the construction vehicle, which has some fantastic moving parts on it as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. It's been great fun getting this set back out again, rebuilding it and playing with it. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and dropping us a like. And until next time, take care. Goodbye. The back opens up and breaks.